In this video, we'll look at how to install and set up Bumblebee. The written documentation for this is available in Confluence. Once you go to the setup guide, you'll get the instructions on how to download and unzip the package. From the prerequisite side, you need to have a Windows 10 PC and ML Studio 7 installed along with Python 2.7. So if you're a ASF3 developer, you might already have this installed. If not, you can download it from the link given in this prerequisites. And once you install Python 2.7, you can install the LXML module by running python -m pip install LXML. The download link for the release is given in this page. As and when we have new releases, we'll upgrade this link to the latest release. Currently, we are at Alpha 2.0. You have to make sure that you use 7-zip to uncompress the package. And once it is extracted, you have to go to the shared data automation link file and open the file automationconf.py. In that, make sure that you have the right path for all these components. The best known configurations are already provided. In case it is different in your installation, make sure that you do that. Next, execute Bumblebee setup. So once you run the Bumblebee setup.bat file, it will set up all your paths, create the required files and folders, and you're good to go. Next, we'll look at the overall layout of the Bumblebee tool, the different buttons that you have, different provisions, and how to add an asset and start executing tests.